There you go, hon. Keep this in here. What you cooking? What you cooking? Yeah, you can pour some in there. Mmm. That's probably enough, hon. Yeah. So you say, okay, that's enough. You want to save some for later? We can't use it all. Uh-oh, we better save some for later. Here, put that in there and then we can share that.
Is that enough?
A little bit more.
Oh. Then I can't have any more dinner.
I'll go get some of those round ones. Yeah.